This video is explaining printing of your Tchuktech piece. So you want to first make sure that all of your pieces are on a switch to cut. And I noticed that one piece is and the other isn't. So I want to go to seam and I want to go switch all to cut so that my cutting line again is on the outside. So I have both of my pieces now on a switch to cut. The next thing that I want to do is I want to go to edit and go to arrange work area. Now what this is it tells us the paper size that you're going to be working with, and that's more prevalent or important for a plotter rather than the printer. But we can designate it if you want for printing. At any rate, it's best just to leave it at 36 inches because that's our plotter size. Then you want to click for pieces in the work area only for this example. The reason why we're doing that is that we're going to just print those pieces that are in my work area and not the sleeve and the bodice that are sitting over here on the sidebar. So I have my pieces here. Now, what happens if you don't want to print the size 4, 6, 8, and 10? Right now, it's going to print basically the size 6, the one that's highlighted and that's being shown. But let's say I actually graded it and it should be a size 10. So I want to go to grading, sizes, and I need to designate my 10 as being my base size. And then go ahead and close. When I do that, now the 10 is what is showing. And then I may need to, again, arrange the work area and just make sure that the pieces aren't overlapping. So now I'm just going to plot the 10 and I am ready for my setting up for my printer. So the next thing that you want to do then is file and print. So you're familiar with file and print. And the default is under fit to page, meaning that it's going to take one page and it's going to fit whatever's in here at whatever scale it can make to fit to that one page. However, for you to kind of check and be able to see what you're doing, it's best to have a common factor, being, say, a quarter of an inch or a half inch if it's a small piece. So quarter inch scale is typical, and you see that it's going to take 2 pages. So that's perfectly fine that we do the 2 pages. Then we're going to go ahead and click on OK, and then do your normal printing with Pharos.